Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Grubhub account. This works for both iOS and Android device users. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out any important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open up your Play or App Store on your phone, and you want to search for Grubhub, and then download and install Grubhub. Once that is done, click on Open. Then you'll be brought to this page, and then from here, click on Sign In. And then you want to add in your email address. So I'm just going to quickly add that in now. And then click on continue. And then you want to create a password. So I suggest creating a strong password that you can remember. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Alright, I've done the password. Now I'm going to click on create your account. Click on allow. And that's it, guys, how to create a Grubhub account. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful.